Hey, what's up my YouTube family? Well, I tell you tonight I'm going to do some fishing tonight, you know. Yeah man, I just leave the jetty a while ago, just get some bait. I wanted to get some sprat and some bang, but I never get any at all. No sprat or bang at the jetty. Just toffee alone, you know. So I'm going to try my luck with the toffee live bait and I see what I can pick up around by Port Royal, you know. I can't stay, I don't know if I'm not going to stay till in the morning. So right now it's just a couple of hours I have because night falling now, you know. So probably by the time I reach night come down, so I will show you guys what is happening later on, alright? Maybe I set up a light and stuff, so I'll see you around there. Alright guys, I know you might not be able to hear me right now, you know, because there's a lot of wind out here now. Right, but I'm facing the wind right now. And I know you might not hear me properly at all, but I just set out one rod a while ago. See it here? Right? With a live toffee on it. But it's kind of windy, but them guys say, and I know snapper bite in this kind of condition, you know. So I don't know, we're just trying right now to see what we can pick up, alright? Yeah man, see there? I have the rod with the light, I have the phone with the camera, I have the camera with the light on it right now. Right, so at least you can see the action, but you might not hear me properly. Stay tuned, alright? You know what guys? I'm gonna check this bait, you know, because I don't know. I threw it out in the rough water and I don't know if it is still on it, so I'll make sure I check and see how long the bait lasts on the line. So I'm going to check it now and see. Let me see if I'm still alive or I'm dead, then I can know how long I must check the bait, how long I must leave the bait out there before I check it, you know. Right now this is like it come off. You see that? This one gone, so you know, so something out there eat off the bait. You understand me? See there? Gone. So something out there eating off the bait. Okay? So that means that I have to keep checking it very often then, that I always have a bait out there. You know? So that is it now, you see? That means the other one's supposed to go on. Same here. I guess you're supposed to can hear me properly now, right? Yeah. So I put it on back one of this again. One more on it. One more toffee, right? See there? I'm going to put him back right out there now. Alright, so let me see now. Alright, let me look behind me and see where it is. Alright, so let's go! Alright, let's go. Push him out. So that means that the other bait's supposed to go on also, so we're going to check the other rod right now. I just set up back this one. I don't even see the rod jerk, you know. I don't even see the rod jerk and the bait gone. It's crazy. So I'm going to check this one also, you know. The first one, the bait gone, and I don't see the rod move, none at all. This one is actually the this one is actually the same thing, because we can see this one gone. Because I don't know, maybe this one's still on it because it feels kind of a little tension on the line. So no, it feels like him gone too, eh? Not feel nothing. No, I'm never gone, but him dead. Oh, I'm dead, him never gone, but him dead, you know. So alright, so can't use a dead bait right now because I'm not gonna work with him dead right now. I'm gonna use live bait tonight. Yeah, another live as them not so big, you know. Them not so big, but them can still go on, you know. In there, live as ever. See him? See him there, guys? Look, see him there? Live kicking. Coffee kicking away. Alright, so you're going out here, you know, so you don't worry yourself. You go out in the night here, so you stay there. You're going back right out there. Because guess what? You're searching for a snapper. Weight is on again. Alright. Alright guys, so we decided to move around to point, you know. Yeah man, too much wind around the other side, too much breeze man, I can't take the breeze. So we come around to point and set up everything around point, set up at the rods and stuff around point. I just put out 2 live bait again, see this is one and the other one down the other side. Yeah man, I have one live bait on it. Right? Live bait and stuff. And then this is the Akuma Azores. Akuma Azores, yeah man, ready with the live bait. Alright guys, so guess what? Stay tuned, alright? Alright, fish on guys, fish on. Alright, fish on. I catch a fish, you know, but I don't even know what kind of fish it is. I hope it's a good fish, you know. Okay? I hope it's a good fish. This is the fish. See it here? This is the fish that is causing all the trouble. See here? See here guys? Lane snapper. Oh boy. Just catch this lane snapper. See here guys? This is the fish created. Oh, giving all the trouble. See that? Beautiful. This fish is about all the best, you know. This fish is a keeper size, you know. Yeah. This fish is a keeper size. You know, this is a keeper size fish, you know. Don't measure it. Alright, look here now guys. See him there now. Alright guys, see him here now, you know. This is 1 inch and alright, 1. See there? Can you see that guys? 11 inches. Keeper size lane snapper. I'm going to put him in the box because I need him going at him. Alright, you see, from the night start, you know, I've been getting a whole lot of pull down and pull off, and I'm not catching the fish. I had to put on 2 hooks. And this is what I did, see there? 2 hooks in order to catch that fish. So I just rig up away now, I just put it like this. 1 here. And put the other one like, no, shouldn't put in that one yet, put the back one first. So I put 1 here in the back. I put put one here at the front. I put it in like this. See here? And this is how I do it. This is how I do it to catch a fish. You see that? See that, guys? This is how I do this bait to catch this fish a while ago. So I'm going to put this one back out again. Alright, so we'll soon come back to you. Fish on again. Yeah? I catch him this time. I catch him again. I catch him again. I catch him again. What kind of fish? I catch him again. Are you give me trouble, you know? Come here. Come here, man. Don't give me no trouble. Come here, man. Come here. Come here. Yeah, man. I catch him this time, Andrew. Blow. No. But for the little fish, hold on, man. Seriously? What for the little fish, man? The little fish, give me trouble, you know? Watch it. I can't believe it. Huh? You see it? At the last you cook him, man. I can't believe this. Oh boy. James, you can't bad, man. I tell you. Alright. Come back a bit right now again. Scale up a spot and alright. Alright, so this is all I'm going to put on this bait here now. Measure the bait. Measure how far this hook going to go. So about right here, so run it right through the middle bone and then right through the eye. Let's come like this now. Right through the eye like that. So that's how I have this bait.